Hello everyone, today I want to share with you how UPDF's AI assistant has revolutionised the way I conduct legal research and handle my law papers. Let me take you through a step-by-step guide on how this amazing tool works. Firstly, UPDF's AI assistant offers file summarisation and contract drafting capabilities, making these tasks quick and efficient. With just a few clicks, I can generate concise summaries and draft contracts effortlessly. Next, the AI assistant enables me to search for relevant information, summarise complex data and analyse risks within contracts swiftly. It streamlines the process, allowing me to focus on crafting sound legal arguments. Furthermore, UPDF's AI assistant excels at legal research by swiftly searching, summarising and explaining legal cases, regulations, precedents and literature. It's like having a legal research expert at my fingertips. Lastly, the AI assistant goes beyond research and drafting by offering client communication advice and validating my solutions. It ensures that my legal strategies are robust and tailored to meet the client's needs. In conclusion, UPDF's AI assistant is a game changer for legal professionals like myself, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in every aspect of our work. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference. Thank you for watching.